How to check saved cards on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and go to Wallet. You are now in the Wallet and Apple Pay settings page. This page allows you to manage payment methods for Apple Pay, add and remove credit or debit cards and other items like tickets and loyalty cards, set default payment options and more. Go to the Payment Cards section and tap on Add Card. The Add Card function is used to add new credit, debit, and prepaid cards to your device for use with Apple Pay. This initiates a process where you can scan your card with the camera or enter the details manually, then follow on-screen instructions to authenticate and add the card for use with Apple Pay. Following these steps, you can easily check saved cards on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.